Okay, let me give you another problem here. So similar to the previous video, I'm now moving into a bigger house. This is my house here. This is the garden here. Um, so this length here is going to be 4 times the length of my house plus an extra 6 meters. So this length here would be, hang on, 4 times the length of my house, and then plus an extra 6 meters here. Okay, and then this length here is going to be 3 times the length of the house, and then plus an extra 5 meters here. Okay, so this length here is 4x plus 6, and then this length here is 3x plus 5. Okay, so work, well, the garden has an area of 800, so work out the length of my house. Okay, so press pause and have a go. Okay, so we know that if we get this times this, it must equals 800. So put that into an equation. So you're trying to find out a value of x when you get this times this, it will give you 800. So put it into an equation. So it will be 4x plus 6, and then 3x plus 5, and it must equal 800. Okay, now multiply this out. So this times this would be 12x. Okay, and then this times this here would be plus 20x, and then this times this here would be plus 18x, and then this times this here would be plus 30 equals 800. Okay, and then well, simplify, and this here, oh sorry, x squared here, sorry, and then this would be 12x squared plus 38x plus 30 equals 800. Now take away 800 from both sides, so this would be 8 blah 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 here, this here, and then this will be remember we are taking away, so it must be minus 770, and then on this side it will be 0. Now we are good at solving quadratic when blah 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 equals 0. So have a quick sketch of your graph, just so that you get an idea of what's going on here. So when x is small, it wants to do this straight line here. So the intercept is minus 770. So somewhere down here, minus 770, and then it has a gradient of 38, so it's quite steep. Okay, and then when x is big, it wants to do the x squared. So guess it to be something like this. Okay, so here you've got two solutions, one here and one here, and it just turns out that in our scenario, this number here is meaningless in our scenario here, whereas this one here has a meaning. It represents the width of the house. Okay, so it's just a matter of us solving this now. So but in order to solve this, we are only good at solving quadratics when the coefficient of x squared is 1. So divide everything by 12. Okay, so your next step, you are here at the moment, divide everything by 12. So it will be x squared plus 38 over 12 x minus 770 divided by 12, and then 0 divided by 12 is 0. Now let's try and simplify this now. So this here, hang on, 38 divided by 12, even. So we know we can divide top and bottom by 2 at least. Okay, so this will become 6. This will become 15 plus 4, 19 here. Can we simplify that any further? Well, we're going to guess no. Okay, so later we're going to put this into well, we're going to replace it with this. But let's try and simplify this now. So this one here will be 7 over 12, even. So we know we can divide top and bottom by at least 2. So this one here will be 6. 770 divided by 2. So maybe you can do something like this. 7 divided by 2 is 3, remainder 1. This one here, 17 divided by this would be 8. 8 here. Hang on, 8, remainder 1. So this one here will be 5. So this will be 3, 8, 5. Okay, have a quick glance to see if you can simplify it further. We're going to guess no. So this will be x squared plus, rather than use this, let's just use this, 19 over 6 x minus, rather than using this, let's just use what? Use this. Okay, so 3, 8, 5 over 6 equals 0. Okay, and then the next step is complete the square. Well, so this here would be, hang on, pen not working properly, sorry. So this would be x, and then I'm going to need half of this. So half of this would be 19 over 6 divided by 2. So this one gets multiplied to the bottom. Okay, so it's going to be plus 19 over 12. Okay, and we don't need the x because we're going to square it, and then immediately take away the rubbish. So the rubbish will be 19 times 19. 19 times 19. Clear this. 19 times 19 equals this. 361. 361 over 144. So this thing here is the rubbish. Okay, and then now take this thing down. Take this thing down. 3, 8, 5. Over 6. Okay, equals 0. Now merge. Can we simplify this? Well, 144. There's one. We are trying to add the two fractions together. So hang on. So clear this. 4. That's one. I just want to know. Does 144 divide 6? Let's see if that gives us. Yeah, it gives us a whole number. So we know we can times top and bottom here by 24. Okay. Then the two denominators will be the same. So times top and bottom by 24. So this will become. Hang on. It's getting messy. Sorry. 19 over. Hang on. Pen not working properly, sorry. So this here would be x plus 19 over 12 squared minus 361 over 144. Now we know that if we times top and bottom by 24, we know the two denominators will be the same. Okay, so 385 times 24. So times 385. Hang on, let me start again here. So 385 times 24 equals this. 99240. Okay, equals 0. And now here this would be well, merge the two together now, so it'd be 144. This one would be minus this minus this, so it's in effect 9240 plus this. Hang on, this would be 105669. So it would be minus 9601. And this one here will be x plus blah 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 here. And now let's check on a calculator if we can simplify this. So let's quickly check. 960 divided by 144 equals. No, we can't simplify. So we just got to leave it as it is. Okay, so equals 0 here. So now this is just a fraction. So add this to both sides. So it will be this 9601 over 4, well, over this. And then remember, square root both sides as well, so you're going to get two solutions. So this will be x plus 19 over 12 here. Okay, so I've made two moves in one go here because this video has been dragging on. So now take away this thing from both sides. So 19 minus 19 over 12 plus or minus root this here. Okay, so so this here will become so here we don't care about the minus. Remember, we've got two solutions. We don't care about the negative one. We don't care about the negative solution. So let's just concentrate on the positive one. So this will be 19 over 12 plus what's root of this thing here? So jump to a calculator and do this. Hang on, calculator, clear. 9601 divided by 144 equals this, and then square root here equals 8.17. Okay, so let's try and work this out now. So hang on, clear this. So 90 minus 19 minus 19 divided by divided by 12 equals this. Okay, and then add 8.17 equals this. 6.559 meters. Okay, as it turns out, I live in a microscopic house. The house here is only, what was it? 6.59 meters. Okay, so the width of my house is only 6.59 meters. Okay,